Ash, what's your name? I love that name. Today, we're gonna be learning about outer space, the planets, and singing lots of fun songs. Come on, let's go! I am so excited to go to outer space. Do you know what outer space is? Outer space is way up high, even above the clouds, and it's where the sun lives, it's where the moon lives, it's where planets live. It's so cool. But the only way you can get to outer space is in a spaceship. Just like this one. Should we get into our spaceship together? Okay, here we go. We gotta climb up the ramp. Oh my goodness, here we go. Okay, we're in our spaceship. Now, can you help me count down from 10? Are you ready? Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off!
Way up high in outer space, there's a big and busy place. Planets spinning round the sun. Come and meet them one by one. Round and round they dance and glow. 8 cool planets in a row. Big and small, fast and slow. Let's learn their names now. Here we go. Mercury is small and fast. It's blazing, he will surely last. Venus spins the other way, with cloudy skies both night and day. Earth is home with skies so blue. It's just right for me and you. Mars is red with mountains tall. Robots drive and search for all. Way up high in outer space, there's a big and busy place. Planets spinning round the sun. Come and meet them one by one. Round and round they dance and glow. 8 cool planets in a row. Big and small, fast and slow. Let's learn their names now. Here we go. Jupiter is giant wide, with storms and stripes it cannot hide. Saturn wears a ring display of icy rocks that spin and sway. Uranus rolls a sideways show. It's chilly with a bluish glow. Neptune's winds are wild and strong. It sings a stormy distant song. Clap your hands, we're almost done. Let's name the planets one by one. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Again, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Way up high in outer space, there's a big and busy place. Planets spinning round the sun. We know the name of everyone. Round and round they dance and glow. 8 cool planets in a row. Big and small, fast and slow. We learn their names now. Off we go.
Oh, hello. I'm out here floating in space. I was just singing that planet song, thinking about all the different planets in our solar system. There are 8 different planets, and we live here on Earth. Yeah. Do you want to help name all the different planets in our solar system with me? Oh, yeah. Okay, look over here. Let's look at them. First, we have Mercury, Venus, Earth. That's our planet. I love Earth. Then we have Mars, Jupiter, Saturn. Wow, look at all those big rings around it. That's Saturn. Uranus, and that little blue one way over there is Neptune. Yeah, those are all the planets in our solar system.
That was so much fun. Did you know we had that many planets in our solar system? Oh my goodness, that's so many planets. Now it's time for some wiggles. So I need you to stand up. Stand up, stand up. Nice job. Here's what we're gonna do. First, we're gonna walk like we're on the moon. So I need you to take great big steps like this. Whoa! just like you're on the moon. Next, we're gonna blast off like we're in a rocket ship. Are you ready? 1, 2, blast off! That was amazing! Are you ready? We're gonna do it again. Can you walk like you're on the moon? Whoa! This is so cool! And blast off like a rocket ship. Blast! Wow! That was so much fun!
ABC, comply with me, we're in space, shout yippee. We're zooming fast across the stars, learning letters near and far. A is for astronaut, waving so high. B is for blaster that zooms through the sky. C is for comet with a fiery tail. D is for docking at the space mail. E is for engine, making us go. F is for flying fast, not slow. ABC, comply with me, we're in space, shout yippee. We're zooming fast across the stars, learning letters near and far. G is for galaxy, spinning wide. H is for helmet with air inside. I is for ignition, let's count to 10. J is for jetpack, blast off again. K is for kaboom, when stars explode. L is for lunar on the moonlit road. ABC, comply with me, we're in space, shout yippee. We're zooming fast across the stars, learning letters near and far. M is for meteor, zooming by. N is for nebula, lighting the sky. O is for orbit, around and around. P is for planet, big and round. Q is for quasar, shining bright. R is for rocket in mid-flight. ABC, comply with me, we're in space, shout yippee. We're zooming fast across the stars, learning letters near and far. S is for satellite, spinning above. T is for telescope, stars we love. U is for universe, so wide and grand. V is for Venus, a hot bright land. W is for wormhole and X marks the spot. Y is for yellow star and Z, off we zoom. ABC, comply with me, we're in space, shout yippee. We're zooming fast across the stars, learning letters near and far.
Are you ready to figure out what's in our mystery basket today? To help me pull it out, say out. Out! Oh my goodness. Look at these stars. These are so cool. Can you say star? Star! Do you know what a star is? When it's really dark at nighttime and you look up and you see all of those twinkling things in the sky, those are stars. Did you know that our sun is a star? Oh my goodness, stars are so cool. And these ones are so fun. Look, we can even stack them on top of each other. How many high do you think we can stack these stars? Oh my goodness. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We had 5 stars in our mystery basket. Wow, it is so cool to be in outer space. This is so beautiful. Whoa, did you see that? I think that was a comet. Do you know what a comet is? A comet is like a gigantic big snowball in outer space that flies right past the sun, and it gets so hot that it has a fiery tail coming off of the bottom of it. That is so awesome. Do you want to help me count the comets? Here we go. Let's see. 1. That one was really fast. 2. Oh my goodness. 3. Do you think there's going to be more? 4. Oh my goodness. 5. That was a lot of comets.
5 little comets up way high. One zoom fast and wave goodbye. The earth called out with a big
Oh my! No more comets flying through the sky.
4 little comets up way high. One zoom past and wave goodbye. The earth called out with a big
Oh my! No more comets flying through the sky.
3 little comets up way high. One zoom fast and waved goodbye. The earth called out with a big
Oh my! No more comets flying through the sky.
2 little comets up way high. One zoom fast and waved goodbye. The earth called out with a big
Oh my! No more comets flying through the sky.
1 little comet up way high. It zoomed fast and waved goodbye. The earth called out with a big
Oh my! No more comets flying through the sky. No more comets flying through the sky.
So many comets way up high, looking like some apple pie. Wait, that's not right. Oh, hi.
Hey, that was a good song,
It
huh?
was fun.
Wow, I love being in outer space.
Yeah, it's fun.
Do you see all the planets?
Whoa, that's a lot of planets.
There's so many. Do you think we can count them together?
Oh yeah, let's all do it together. Yay! Yeah. Yay.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
1,
2, 3,
4,
4,
5,
5, 6,
7,
8. Wow.
Wow! There are
Wow.
8 planets in our solar system.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Wow!
Woo!
Oh my goodness, look! Do you see the moon? I love looking at the moon. Have you ever noticed the moon changes sometimes? Like sometimes it looks like a gigantic big circle, and other times it looks like a banana, and sometimes it even looks like it's not there. That is so crazy. But don't even worry, it's always the same moon. It's just sometimes playing peekaboo with the sun. That's so silly. Ready? Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Do you know what an astronaut is? Astronaut. That's a big word. Can you say astronaut? Astronaut. An astronaut is a very brave person who goes all the way up into outer space. They float around, they ride in rocket ships, and they look at planets and stars really up close. Astronauts are space explorers. Do you want to pretend to be a space explorer with me? Let's do it. Can you wobble around like this, like you're floating in outer space? Nice job! It would be so cool to be an astronaut.
Fly, fly, fly your ship gently through the stars, past the moon and Jupiter, zooming near and far. Drift, drift, drift on by clouds of cosmic dust, floating in a sea of stars. It's to the moon or bust. Wave, wave, wave your hand to a spacey friend, smiling in
together. Are you ready? Okay, first we're gonna need a rectangle. Do you remember what a rectangle looks like? A rectangle has 2 short sides and 2 long sides. Let's put a rectangle over here for our spaceship. Perfect! That's a perfect start for our spaceship. Next, we're gonna need some triangles for the wings and the top of the spaceship. What does a triangle look like? A triangle has 3 points. 1, 2, 3. Let's put our triangles on our spaceship. Perfect! It's looking so good. We need one more shape for our spaceship. A circle! Do you know what a circle looks like? A circle is round with no corners. Let's put a circle on our spaceship for the window. Perfect! We made a spaceship. Thank you so much for helping me build this awesome spaceship. Have you ever played Simon Says before? Well, we're gonna play Astronaut Says. So if I say Astronaut Says, you have to do exactly what I do. But if I don't say Astronaut Says, then you have to hold super still. Are you ready to play? Here we go. Astronaut says, spin like a planet. Spin, 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 spin. Nice job. Astronaut says, blast like a rocket ship. Pshoo! Nice job. Astronaut says, touch the stars. Touch the stars, touch the stars, touch the stars. Nice job. Now blast like a rocket ship. Did I trick you? That was so fun. Let's try again. Astronaut says, spin like a planet. Astronaut says, touch the stars. Astronaut says, blast like a rocket ship. Touch the stars. That was so much fun. Thanks for playing Astronaut Says with me.
Hey, Miss Ash.
Hi, Monty.
Hey, that was such a fun game we were playing.
Oh my goodness, I love playing Astronaut
I
Says.
love games. Yes. I have a question.
What's your question?
What's the big, bright, glowing thing we see in the sky during the day?
That's the sun. The sun is what keeps us warm during the day.
Wow, that's awesome.
It's so cool. And do you know what the bright thing that we see at night is called?
Is that the moon?
The moon!
Yeah!
That's right!
Let's go.
Do you know that the sun is what lights up the moon?
Wow.
Yeah!
That's cool.
The moon gets all of its light from the sun.
Wow.
So climb up and board our trusty rocket ship. We're flying and searching on our space trip. So sit down and hold tight. Get ready, here we go. 1, 2, 3, the things we'll see. Let's go. Yippee!
Now space is big and full of stars, lots of planets near and far. There's more up here than meets the eye. Let's put our arms out, learn to fly. Here we go, we're zooming high, past the moon, wave Earth goodbye. There's 8 cool planets around the sun. We love them all, let's have some fun.
So climb up and board our trusty rocket ship. We're flying and searching on our space trip. So sit down and hold tight. Get ready, here we go. 1, 2, 3, the things we'll see. Let's go. Yippee!
There's gas and dust and nebulae, in black holes where no light can fly. The Milky Way is where we spin, and that's the galaxy we're in. There's more in space than we can know. There's billions of galaxies fast and slow. It's cool to see the stars align, and all was made by grand design.
So climb up and board our trusty rocket ship. We're flying and searching on our space trip. So sit down and hold tight. Get ready, here we go. 1, 2, 3, the things we'll see. Let's go. Yippee!
I've been seeing some really cool spaceships out here, and I think they're making a pattern. Do you know what a pattern is? A pattern is something that repeats again and again. Let's try and figure out the pattern with these spaceships. We've got a purple spaceship, a green spaceship, a purple spaceship, and what do you think the next spaceship is gonna be? We have purple, green, purple, green! That's right! That's a pattern! Nice job! Wow! Look at all these beautiful stars. There's so many colors and there's so many different sizes out here. Wow! This is beautiful. Do you think we can name some of the colors of these stars? Let's see. I see a blue star. Can you say blue? Blue! Nice job. I see a green star. Can you say green? Green! What else? I see a pink star. That's my favorite. Wow, can you say pink? Pink! Nice job! Let's find one more color. I see a yellow star. Can you say yellow? Yellow! Wow! Space is so beautiful. There's so many colors out here. Monty!
Whoa! Woohoo! Hello!
Hi! How are you doing?
I'm super good. I'm floating in space.
This is so cool.
Yippee!
I love being in space.
Me too.
Hey, I've got a question for you.
What is it?
Do you know what shape the sun is?
I do not.
The sun is a circle!
Oh, a circle. Yeah, that's right.
Now, I have one more question for you.
Okay.
Do you know what shape the Earth is?
It kind of looks like a circle, but it's a lot smaller.
You're right!
What?
Even
Really?
though it's smaller, it's still a circle!
Wow, that's so cool.
So the sun is a big
Big
circle,
Big circle.
and the Earth is a smaller circle.
Little small circle.
But they're both
Circles!
The jets on the ship go whoosh, 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 whoosh. The jets on the ship go whoosh, 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 all through outer space. The robots on the ship go beep, 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 beep. The robots on the ship go beep, 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 all through outer space. The rockets on the side go boom, 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 boom. The rockets on the side go boom, 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 all through outer space. The lights on the ship go blink, 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 blink. The lights on the ship go blink, 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 all through outer space. The doors on the ship go open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The doors on the ship go open and shut, all through outer space. The kids on the ship shout, let's explore, let's explore, let's explore. The kids on the ship shout, let's explore, all through outer space.
Do you know what opposites are? Opposites are things that are very different. Can you say different? Different. Opposites are things that are very different. What's an example of an opposite? How about close and far? Like this planet is really close to me, but that planet is really far away. Those are opposites. What's another opposite? How about fast and slow? This planet is spinning really fast, and this planet over here is spinning really slow. That is so crazy. What's one more opposite? What about up and down? My window goes up and down. Those are all opposites. Wow, that was so fun to be in outer space, but man, am I glad to be back on Earth. Whew. Wow, space is so beautiful even here on Earth. Looks very different. Do you see those stars? Wow, those twinkling stars are so beautiful. Can you help me count them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow. You know what? I think there are too many to count. They are so beautiful.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Wow, McFluffy, did you love learning about space? She loved learning about space. That was so much fun. Can you go get one of your favorite stuffies? Nice job. McFluffy, say hi. What is your Stuffy's name? I love that name. Let's use our Stuffies to do some of the things we did in space, like the astronaut walk. Ready? Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Wow! Can you use your Stuffy to blast off into space? Ready? Blast off! Ready? Blast off! Wow! What about trying to touch the stars? Oh, she tried to touch the stars. That was so fun. Me and McFluffy loved learning about space. We had a really good time with you. Thank you so much for learning about space with us. We had so much fun today. We learned about the stars and planets. We learned about opposites and shapes. That was so amazing. And now we have time for one more song.
It's time to say goodbye, my friend, but we'll be back again. We sang, we played, we laughed today, but now it has to end. Bye bye, see you soon, in the morning or afternoon. Wave your hand and give a smile, we'll be back in a while.